Have you ever thought about what happens when your users screen share your app on Android? By default, your user's entire screen is shown. But that's not always what you or your users want. They might accidentally share some sensitive content, like their password while navigating a login flow. To prevent this, you can use the Sensitive Content widget, available now for Android. Whenever a user tries to share or record a screen containing sensitive content, the Sensitive Content widget will obscure or black out the entire screen in the recording. You can use the Sensitive Content widget by first determining which widgets in your app may potentially contain, well, sensitive content. Wrap that widget with the Sensitive Content widget and set its sensitivity to contentsensitivity.sensitive. You can add as many sensitive content widgets as you like. As long as any of the widgets in the widget tree are marked sensitive, the entire screen will be obscured during media projection. If you want to disable the obscured effect in screen recordings, set the sensitivity to not sensitive. Remember that all sensitive content widgets in the widget tree need to be not sensitive in order to disable the obscured effect, even if a sensitive content widget is in the tree but is not actively visible. Alternatively, you can make sure that the sensitive content widgets are properly disposed of. This widget requires Android API 35 and above. It will have no impact on other platforms or older Android API versions. For more info on sensitive content and all the other widgets, head to flutter.dev.